Imagine this. You're prepping a fresh homemade salsa for taco night, but the thought of chopping onions, garlic, and tomatoes by hand feels like a marathon. Your eyes are already tearing up, and you're dreading the cleanup. Enter this Black+Decker 1.5-cup electric food chopper, a compact powerhouse that transforms tedious meal prep into a breeze. With its 150W motor, stay-sharp stainless steel blades, and one-touch pulse control, this mini food chopper is designed to save you time, effort, and counter space. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or a home chef crafting small batch recipes, this chopper delivers precision and convenience at an unbeatable price. Let's dive into why this kitchen gadget deserves a spot in your home and how it can elevate your cooking game. Why the Black+Decker 1.5-cup food chopper stands out. The kitchen appliance market is flooded with choppers, processors, and blenders, but the Black+Decker HC 150B electric food chopper carves out its niche with a perfect blend of simplicity, power, and practicality. Its 1.5-cup capacity is ideal for small tasks, making it a must-have for anyone who loves fresh ingredients without the hassle of manual chopping. From mincing herbs to pureeing dips, this chopper handles it all with ease. Here's why it's a game-changer. Compact yet mighty. Don't let its small size fool you. The 150W motor powers through onions, nuts, and even harder veggies like carrots, delivering consistent results every time. One-touch pulse control. No complicated settings. Just press the button to chop, mince, or puree. The pulse feature gives you total control over texture, from chunky salsa to silky hummus. Stay sharp bi-level blades. The stainless steel blades are designed for longevity, slicing through ingredients with precision and maintaining sharpness over time. Dishwasher-safe parts. Cleanup is a snap with removable parts that pop right into the dishwasher, saving you precious minutes after cooking. Oil holes for easy mixing. Add oil to your dressings or dips without stopping the chopper, thanks to cleverly designed oil holes in the lid. This chopper isn't just about chopping. It's about reclaiming your time and making cooking fun again. Let's explore how it solves common kitchen pain points and why it's a must-have for modern households. Solving everyday cooking challenges. Chopping by hand is time-consuming, messy, and often inconsistent. The Black+Decker 1.5-cup food chopper tackles these issues head-on, making it a lifesaver for anyone who wants to streamline meal prep. Here are the problems it solves. Tear-free onion chopping. Say goodbye to stinging eyes. Toss onions into the chopper, pulse a few times, and you've got perfectly diced pieces in seconds. No more uneven cuts. Whether you're prepping veggies for a stir-fry or herbs for a garnish, the bi-level blades ensure uniform results every time. Small batch simplicity. Large food processors are overkill for small tasks. This 1.5-cup chopper is perfect for single servings or small families, minimizing waste and cleanup. Mess-free mixing. The oil holes let you drizzle in liquids without splattering, ideal for whipping up vinaigrettes, pestos, or creamy dips. I recently used this chopper to make a quick guacamole for a family gathering. In under a minute, I had finely chopped avocados, tomatoes, and cilantro, with no teary eyes or uneven chunks. The result? A crowd-pleasing dip that looked and tasted restaurant quality. Key features that make a difference. 150W motor. Provides ample power for chopping everything from soft herbs to tough nuts, ensuring versatility for various recipes. 1.5-cup capacity. Perfect for small portions, like a single batch of salsa, hummus, or breadcrumbs, without taking up much counter space. Bi-level stainless steel blades. These durable blades stay sharp longer, delivering clean cuts and consistent textures. Dishwasher-safe components. The bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher-safe, making post-cooking cleanup effortless. Safety lock and cord storage. The lid locks securely during operation, and the integrated cord wrap keeps your countertop tidy. These features combine to create a user-friendly experience that's both efficient and safe. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, why choose Black+Decker? Black+Decker is a trusted brand known for quality and innovation, and this food chopper lives up to that reputation. With a 2-year warranty, durable construction, and thoughtful design features like the safety lock and cord storage. It's built to last. Compared to competitors, it offers a perfect balance of power, affordability, and ease of use, making it a smart investment for any kitchen. Ready to chop smarter? The Black+Decker 1.5-Cup electric food chopper is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a time saver, a space saver, and a game changer for anyone who loves fresh, homemade meals. Whether you're whipping up a quick dip, prepping veggies, or experimenting with new recipes, this chopper delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Don't let tedious chopping hold you back from enjoying your time in the kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this chopper yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.